Flood watches were posted earlier this morning for a couple of our counties, Colquitt over through Cook and Berrien, also Lanier County, Lowndes, Brooks, Thomas, and Grady County. We have flood watches in those areas because we're expecting some pretty heavy thunderstorm activity to develop later on this morning and through the early afternoon. And with that, we could see 2 to 4 inches of rain in a short period of time. So we'll be keeping you updated on that. Let's talk about our temperatures. They're starting off mild. Don't be fooled because they're not going anywhere. They're going to pretty much be in the low to mid 60s all day today. Thunderstorm chances will blossom here in Albany midday, and then the chance of rain will really just take hold the rest of this afternoon. So it may start off a little dry. Don't be fooled again. You will need your umbrella today. But the heaviest activity is focused mainly south and east of Highway 319. So you can see the showers and storms starting to fill in here pretty good. Valdosta really gets wet through Thomasville and in through Berrien County, heading in through Pearson and Douglas as we go into the noontime hour. So again, Highway 319 sits right about here, right? Everything seems to be east of it. We'll fill in with some showers, again, maybe an isolated thunderstorm in Albany, but the bulk of the rain seems to be in the eastern half of our area, and that's, of course, lining up pretty well with that flood threat that we have and that flood watch that goes until 5 p.m. Let's talk about the severe threat. It is marginal lowest level potential. That'll go from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in a line pretty much from Blakely to Albany to Cordele to Rochelle, south and east. So north and west, we don't even have a risk of severe thunderstorms. That's a 5% chance of damaging winds, 2% chance of an isolated tornado, and 5% chance of flash flooding. Your evening planner, well, just going to be rain. You're going to need the umbrella. 57 to 53. It will be much cooler tomorrow. We're going to hang out in the 60s. Tomorrow, it's going to be in the low 50s most of the afternoon. So 49 tomorrow morning, 100% chance of rain. There's our frontal system that has stalled and then just gets very active with time. It kind of eases a little bit to the east, and so our rain chances, well, with this low pressure, it's going to throw the moisture back into the cooler air, and so that's why it's going to be kind of a chilly rain heading through our Saturday. A washout of a Saturday, a soaker of a Saturday. But good news here is as this low tracks to the north and east, we'll call it a salvageable Sunday. And I'll explain here as this low continues to progress north and east. It's going to be raining through the nighttime hours. Meantime, the cold upper level low is spinning here, and watch what happens to the moisture across the northern part of the state. It turns from rain to a wintry mix to snow. It looks like just east of Atlanta, could be farther south too, into Athens. So there will be some snow flying here in this area. Measurable snow, maybe up to an inch. It'll be wet snow. Again, it doesn't have to be at freezing at the surface for you to get snow. The cold air aloft will do the work for it, and that's why we're expecting some snow, especially up in the Carolinas and in the Appalachians and Smokies. They're going to see maybe a couple inches, if not up to a half a foot in the mountains. You see the showers here in the morning on Sunday, 5 o'clock. Watch what happens as we go into the midday hour. Looky what we got, Cookie, South Georgia. Clearing skies. So salvageable Sunday after a soaker of a Saturday, but it will be colder as we wake up on Monday morning. 49 to 54, 100% chance rain Saturday. It'll be breezy too, both days, Saturday and Sunday. Winds sustained, 15, gusting to as high as 25, 30, so that's going to just be a raw day, no doubt. Temperatures locked down in the 50s. The winds do shift, though, northeast of west. 30% chance of morning shower, breezy and clearing, 41 to 56. Monday, morning frost, sunshine, 34 to 65. And happy Valentine's. Yeah, it's a little chilly. You get to snuggle up with your special someone and then rebound with sunshine to 70 degrees. Today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.